through my watch. Oh my gosh, I can. Oh. Okay, kind of got floating head right now.
What? I was cleaning and then I was like, oh, my camera battery's dead. Cool, I can't film the video, I was just gonna do. And then I was like, oh, maybe I can just use my phone because I can just plug it in right there and it's not gonna, you know, need to charge before I start. I can just charge while I'm doing it. And then I was like, oh, maybe I can use my Apple Watch to connect to my phone so I can see what I'm doing and make sure I'm in focus. And I can, but then my Apple Watch is dying, so I had to run upstairs and get the charger. And now it's plugged in here.
There you go, that's pretty cool.
Isn't it neat? I was like, that's so cool.
That's pretty bad.
We've got the setup. Telling my brother about this, and I'm probably got it all on camera anyways, but it's been a situation so far. So, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. I feel like I haven't made a video in a million years. I'm still working on the last week of my Okinawa vlogs. There's like 5 hours of footage that I have to cut down to like 20 minutes or less. So that's gonna be a little bit longer, but I figured I would put out something this week just until I can get that thing figured out and chopped down and all that stuff. So yeah, if you see me looking down, I have my watch, my Apple Watch down here, kind of chilling just as my monitor so I can see what I'm doing because I'm filming on my phone camera this time instead of my regular camera. So I want this to kind of be like an update video while I'm getting ready for literally nothing. So let's go. I realize I kind of have like floating head situation right now because I'm wearing a black shirt in front of a black background, and I'm not that sorry because everything I own is black. We are going to be doing a fall inspired look because I haven't done one yet and it's like already almost the middle of November. So I'm going to start by priming my eyes as per usual. So as per usual, sorry for being gone so long. I don't know why I always do this. I mean, at least this time I kind of know why, but yeah, it's been way too long. I've been incredibly lazy lately because of a lot of reasons. So the last like updatey kind of video I did, I had talked about my girl being in the hospital, and unfortunately shortly after that she did pass away. So I kind of took a little bit of a break, and then like 4 days later I had to leave for Okinawa, so it was just like, you know, take those 4 days and just do what you gotta do and then leave. And I went on the trip with my younger sister to visit my older sister with her kids and her husband and everything, and it was awesome. It was so much fun. I really didn't want to leave. I didn't want to come back. There was that. I have notes somewhere around here so I don't forget anything, but I don't have my glasses on so I can't see where they are. There's no real plan going into this makeup look. And yes, I did leave that notebook upstairs with all of my notes. After this video is done being filmed and everything and I'm beautiful again, I'm going to be filming what I bought in Okinawa, which will be fun. I just broke one of them, which I'm so sad about, but luckily I can like super glue it back together and hopefully it'll stay together because it's like one of the best things I've ever bought in my life. But yeah, there's no real plan right now with what I'm doing with my makeup. I'm just using fall colors, so we'll see how it goes. Kind of want to do a yellow. I don't know if I have a lighter yellow in that. Crap, this was very badly planned. Hang on. We're gonna give it a shot, and if that doesn't work, I have at least a backup yellow. Palette's disgusting, I'm sorry, but like this one, we'll see. So dusty. And see, this is why I write notes about what I want to talk about, because then I just stop talking. Also, in the last video that I did before I went to Japan, I had mentioned getting a promotion at work and being pretty busy lately. Still true. We're going into Christmas season, which I'm not prepared for in the least, because now that with the promotion and everything, going into 12-hour days, 5 days a week, which is fun. And then I only get paid, I think, 3 more times until Christmas, like actual Christmas. It's a lot of like financial planning going into this, which is not how I usually do anything. Now, this time of year too, gets so dark so fast. And like, even though I work days right now, and I'll be going to overnights during Christmas, which is not ideal. Like, even right now, when I drive to work, it's dark. And when I drive home from work, it's getting dark at 4:30. It's so early. I hate it so much. I hate this time of year. It's so depressing. But it is what it is. I'm actually almost excited for it to snow. Just like once. It's gonna happen regardless of whether I want it to or not. Okay, now we're going to go in with orange. I think I'm actually going to use the orange in the Trolls palette. Yeah, I like that more. It's more of a fall-y orange rather than a bright orange. Oh, also with this new job and everything, I'll be able to move out soon into an apartment, which I'm excited about. My parents don't love it. But you know, nobody wants to date me because I live with my parents, so I gotta go. And I've wanted to make this video for so long, but I think I finally have enough material for a dating app horror stories video, which I think would be pretty fun. Because you guys, it's been rough, like real rough. With the moving thing, I've been looking at a lot of apartments lately. There are two that are right around the corner from each other that I really, really love one, but like nothing is included. And then the other one that I like that's around the corner is pretty good. It's a little bit more expensive, but it has heat, hot water, and air conditioning included, and it has central air, which is very important to my life. I'm just debating right now which one I want to actually apply to. Not that I know I'm going to get accepted anyways. It is ungodly hot in here. I'm sweating. I'm glad I didn't do any face makeup yet because that would just be destroyed. NYX Proof It eyeshadow primer. Just blend that in a little bit, and then I'm going to take some glitter. Definitely makeup in my coffee now. Whoops. Wow. Alright, so I've talked about everything except for my latest podcast obsessions. I'm pretty sure I've already talked about this probably in the last video I did. I don't know. I don't remember. I've always really been into like true crime stuff. Oh my gosh, if it could just come out, that'd be great. And I've been listening to True Crime Obsessed as requested by Leanne. Leanne says on YouTube she's pretty well known. I've been listening to that podcast a lot. I've actually binged, I think, every episode now. I just finished listening to the last episode, which was, not the last episode, but the one before that. The last one was a re-upload of the Eileen Wuornos documentary, and then the one before that was something. Oh, it was the Amityville Horror one, the My Amityville Horror documentary about the Lutz family. And then I almost went to the live show that they did a couple weeks ago in New York. It was like the weekend before Halloween and the weekend that I didn't have any money at all. Otherwise, I would have gone. One of the ladies in the Facebook discussion group for the podcast had extra tickets because I think she couldn't go anymore or something had come up. And I wanted so badly to take them, but I had no money to get gas or the train or whatever into the city and go to the show. And I wish I did, because everything I've seen and heard from the show looks like it was so much fun. But they're doing one again for New York City Pride in June, and I want to go because they're going to be discussing the Stonewall riots, like literally down the street from where they happened on the anniversary. I think it's the 30th anniversary, but I really want to go. Also, lately, to break up my crime documentary podcast, I've been listening to Why Won't You Date Me with Nicole Byer. If you don't know who she is, she used to be on Girl Code for a long time. She used to perform a lot with Upright Citizens Brigade in New York, and it's just so funny. And as somebody who has attempted online dating, it's very relatable. Or if you just want a really good laugh at somebody else's expense, very good podcast. But yeah, that's about all I've really been up to. I'll talk more about my Okinawa trip in the video that I'm filming after this, so I don't want to get like too into it here. See, I told you guys I'm the worst at talking through these videos. It is what it is. I had like this whole long update thing like planned out, and it's just like not that exciting. Not a very interesting person. Aside from like the Okinawa vlog coming out, nothing all that interesting is happening, so it's like whatever. Gonna add some lipstick and then eyelashes. Today I'm using the Wet n Wild Mega Last Liquid Catsuit in Video Vixen. Actually, we're not using this because this looks like trash. So, just kidding. We're gonna take this shit off. Alright, so instead we're gonna go in with a Nika K traditional lipstick in Amethyst. Having a hard time today. Just not liking any of these options right now. So let me switch it out again. Last chance, we're going to go for an actual red, which is the LA Colors lip gloss that is a matte. There's no real color name to it, so it's just red. Alright, well, that's as good as that's going to get, I think. So, yeah. Just going to add some lashes and we'll be right back. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm sorry I didn't talk as much as I thought I was going to. But yeah, that's just kind of my life update and I'm boring, so it is what it is. If you would like to follow me on any of my social media, it is all linked down below, and make sure to hit the subscribe button if you would like to see any of my upcoming videos. Okay, I will see you guys in the next video. And now I have to stop filming because they're out in the garage being loud. So, bye. The Facebook